Archiving multiple cards in Trello is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can archive multiple cards in Trello. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, as you guys can see, suppose these are the cards that we have, and now you want to do all of these three at once. Well, you can actually, archive the whole list or a single card. You won't be able to select multiple cards and archive it together. Now, suppose these are the three. Now I can do, archive the list by, clicking on these three dots and then click on this, archive this list, and this list will be archived. However, you can do the single ones as well. So in order to do that, you have to open up the card, and after opening it up, you have to scroll down and click on this archive. Now that's how you will be able to archive. In order to unarchive, you just have to click on these three dots and then click on this archived items, and these are your archived items. You just have to click on this send to board to unarchive it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.